Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing Monster X's Rush, the secret version. Yeah, I can't wait to see what's inside this. I'm really excited. I say that about every unboxing, but I just kind of got into Monster X based on this album actually, because I really enjoyed Rush when I first saw it. Like, I watched Trespass and I liked that too, but I think it was like this album that really did it for me. And yeah, so now here I am, kind of really liking them. I'm not like completely familiar with them yet. Like, I know their names and stuff, but I've just been watching like interviews and things, and that's pretty much it. Either way, here is the track list. There are 6 tracks. The first track is Rush, then Hero, Perfect Girl, Amen, Gone Bad, and Broken Heart. I really like Rush, I already said it, and Hero. Those are my 2 favorite songs on this album. But it's a good album. I say that about like everything I buy, because obviously I buy it because I like it. But yeah, it was good enough. It was a good enough album for me to actually get into this group, and I just think they're really cute. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have like a bias or anything yet. I yeah, I have no idea, because I just like them all at the moment. I haven't seen enough like things. There is the CD. Like, seen enough I haven't even seen No Mercy yet, because I've been kind of busy, and also it's a survival show, and I know that I need to like prepare myself for survival shows. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the photo card out first. I haven't seen it. Anyway. I'm sorry if I like mix up names or whatever, because they're still fairly new to me, but Juhan? I say everything so unsure. Shonu? Wano? I kind of have a soft spot for Wonho though, from the interviews and stuff that I've watched. And also Minhyuk. Minhyuk. I find Minhyuk really attractive. This is... oh, I am. Kihyun? Kihyun's really good looking too. And Hyungwon. Oh, this shit is cute. It's like colorful. And you know I love color, so... yeah, anyway, I've been planning on watching No Mercy, and I will eventually. I find it easier to watch like survival programs when they're over, so I know like who's in, so I don't get like my hopes up or whatever. But yeah, even then, watching survival programs are always like super rough. And they kind of break my heart when I watch them, so yeah. I always have to prepare myself, because I just want everyone to be happy. Anyway, Rush is super catchy. I was actually surprised by how much I ended up liking it, because I liked it from the very first listen. And that doesn't really happen very often for me with songs. Like, it generally takes me a couple listens to get into a song properly. But yeah, I really loved Rush as soon as I heard it. When I was getting this album, I was debating between getting this version or the other version. But yeah, I kind of did watch some unboxings for this just because I wanted to see the contents of the photo book and which one I'd prefer. And so I'm pretty happy with this one. They're cute. Okay, so lyrics. And there are all the names. But they were pretty easy to learn name-wise. Because they all look pretty distinctive. And credits. And yeah, that's it for the photo book. It's actually a pretty decent photo book. I really like it. I like, yeah, I like photo books that have a lot of color as well, so this worked really well for me. Anyway, comes with an ad and a photo card, which I haven't seen yet, so I got, oh my gosh, I got Miniac. Oh, I'm actually really happy about this because I haven't really decided on a bias in MONSTA X yet, but I really like Wonho and Minhyuk, and I think those are my two favorites. Possibly Juhon or IM, but yeah, as you can tell, it's just really hard for me to decide at the moment. This is really cute. He's so handsome. Okay, anyway, I'm really happy with this. Yeah, I have nothing else to add other than this is a good album. I really like it. I'm sorry I don't sound like as enthusiastic. I will be. I know, like, once I properly get into them, like, once I finish watching No Mercy, I'm probably going to be in love with them. And then if I get their next album, I'm just gonna be like completely, you know, crazy over them. But yeah, for the rest of it, I did really like this album, and yeah, I'm looking forward to see their future releases. Thank you so much for watching.